Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36 Motorhome for sale in Union City, Indiana 47390. Spread your wings and fly with this 2002 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36 Motorhome. This Class A motorhome is 36 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong powered gasoline engine mated with an automatic transmission. This RV has 2 slide-out and 2 awnings. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, leveling system and backup camera. With only 52,000 miles and a rebuilt title, you can rest assured that this Holiday Rambler will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2002 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36 motorhome is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include, full-body PaintWorkhorse chassis, great cooking area, 3-burner stove and microwave refrigerator / freezer double kitchen, SinkDinette with bench seating, television in motion, SatelliteSurround SoundDVD / CD / StereoOutside, EntertainmentSofa, SleeperLarge bathroom with shower, toilet, sink, 1/2 BathMaster, queen-size bed, full-size master closet / DresserAir, ConditioningHeatNew, CarpetNew, Firestone airbag helpers all the way around, and so much more. This 2002 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36 motorhome is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Holiday Rambler is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2002 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36 motorhome.